Hey guys, my name is Thilen and welcome to my channel ThilenTube. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own YouTube channel 2020 from scratch. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell for more videos. So basically, I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure on my laptop screen. Watch till the end.
Go on your web browser and go to YouTube. I'm assuming that you have already created a Gmail account. If not, you can go open a new page, then type create a Gmail account. Click on it. Create an account. You can enter your first name, then you can enter your password. And click on next. Then enter your phone number to verify. Click on next and wait for the code. Enter the code. Then you verify it. After verifying the code, you can enter your month. Let's see, December, day, 5th. Then select your gender. Then click on next. Click on yes. Then agree. Okay. After creating my Gmail account, you go back on your web browser, go back on YouTube. Then sign in. Okay, I've already signed in, so I'll just click on my account, my Gmail account, then go to settings. Okay, on settings I can create a new channel. Enter the name of your channel here. I'm gonna go with the Mangoes Man. Then click on create. And your channel have been created. Upload your video. Click on upload video. Okay, got it. Then select file. So you can select the file where your video is, then you will upload it here. I'm not going to do that one right now. You can also customize your channel. Click on customize channel. You can add channel art. That's the banner of your channel. You can add it here. So you can edit your channel icon here. Yeah, okay. You can also go to YouTube Studio Beta. YouTube Studio Beta. Okay, this is whereby when you have uploaded your video, you will see the videos that you have uploaded here, the analytics, the comments. If you scroll down, the monetization and other features, the transcriptions. Yeah.
Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and see you next time. Bye.